And now let's get a closer look at the damage in New Orleans East, where homes have been reduced to rubble and cars were flipped over when the tornado touched down.
Kelsey Davis has been out there for us all morning long and joins us now with a look at the situation as the sun starts to come up. And Kelsey, what are you seeing?
That's right, Randy. I'm finally able to see down Mark Drive here. It's really bad now that I'm able to see what it's looking like here. We talked to Mr. Fred Alford across the street a little while ago, and he gave us a lot of insight into this neighborhood. This house across the street from him, you could see windows blown out, a lot of damage to the roof. Of course, there's debris everywhere, but Mr. Alford tells us that luckily this house was not occupied. Nobody lived in it at the time. It's a house that's a rental property, but as you can see, the owners of this home are going to have a lot of work to do to get it ready for the next set of tenants. We're going to just keep walking down Mark Drive and